Hello, my lovely sugars. Welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. How are all you doing? I am doing great. Before we get into this unboxing, I do want to give my thoughts to anyone that is in the track of this hurricane. A nasty, nasty hurricane. So I hope all of you that are affected by this hurricane, I hope you all stay safe. And please remember, all of your belongings are replaceable. You are not. So just my 2 cents. Don't come for me. But anyway, just please stay safe. Okay. I am going to be unboxing Enablers Outpost today. This is a kit I have been waiting for, and due to life and work and, you know, all the things that come with normalcy, I have not had a chance to unbox it until now. So this is from Enablers Outpost, and let's see, these are the drills. Let me roll the kit the other way first. I do have cats, so you might hear them. You might see an appearance of one on my desk. Sterling is down here looking at me like I really want what you're playing with. No. Okay, here we go. Ready? Well, bam. Okay. Sorry for the lighting today. It is very cloudy, rainy, disgusting, so I had to use my overhead lights. This is called Sloth Cuddles by Emma Casey. This is a 50 by 60 centimeter round drill kit, acrylic rounds, and it has 47 colors with 6 shimmer drills. 6. Very excited, y'all. Look at these adorable sloths. I'm a huge fan of sloths, and when I saw this on Elizabeth's site, I was like, I have to get this. Not only am I'm a huge Emma Casey fan, but sloths, you guys, sloths. Okay. All right, let's go through this. Okay, so on the canvas, we're going to go over the canvas first, and then we're going to look at the drills. On the canvas, it's a very sturdy canvas. The back of it, it's soft, but it's not too soft. I know that sounds strange, but the canvas has some heft to it, which is nice. I like that. It's very sturdy. The edges are scalloped, so you're not going to have any fraying. Okay. At the top, you have Enablers Outpost logo. Up here, the top left, you have a schematic. And then also on the right legend, you have a schematic. Sorry for the glare. So I appreciate the fact that there is a key code on both the left and the right side. I really like that, because that way, no matter where you're working on the canvas, you can always look to the right or the left to see. The bottom left, we have the artist name, Emma Casey, Sloth Cuddles. All of Enablers Outpost kits are legally licensed from the artists. And I appreciate that, because that means, you know, the artists get fairly compensated for their work. Yes. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Okay. You get a welcome to your diamond painting project, a quick thank you note. Yes. Thank you note. That's always appreciated. Oh, wait. Okay. All right. Now you get 2 inventory sheets here. This is the first one. This is your sticker sheet. Let's see if I can roll this the other way. Hold on. The stickers are trying to come undone on me because they're already pre-cut, so they're coming off the legend. That's okay. They're all going to go on the baggies anyway. Okay. So Emma Casey, Sloth Cuddles. And it gives you the specs. And then these are all of your pre-cut stickers to go on your baggies. Yes. Okay, and then you also get a reference sheet. I call this a reference sheet. That's what I call it. This is good. It gives you the DMC, the symbol, It gives you the color, the original quantity, the actual quantity, weight, and the number of bags. So that way you can check to make sure that you have what it says it's supposed to have. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, put that to the side. All right, and then we're going to look at these drills here in a minute. Oh my gosh, let's do the sticky test. Forewarning, those of you that don't like this, I always like to check the stickiness of a canvas. Some people don't like it when I do this. So if you don't, look away, mute. Very sticky. Poured glue. Poured glue canvas. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I just want to kit this up like right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me stand up so we can look at the drill field. All right. Look at these nice clear symbols. Look at that beautiful red. Oh my gosh. Look at his eyes. Look at his little nose. Symbols are very clear. Very clear. Okay, so with this canvas, it looks like you are going to have some color blocking. And then the confetti is going to be mostly around the outside in the colors of the leaves. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. How many of you just want to reach out and just join this hug? I do. I do. Minus the claws there. Yes, but I absolutely adore sloths. I just think they're the cutest things. I mean, they're just adorable. Adorable. So, okay, let's look at these drills. I don't normally open drills because I have to try and get them back in the package, but we're going to look at the drills, especially the shimmer drills. Where's my sheet? We're going to see where these shimmer drills go. I'm just rolling this backwards so that it will stay flat. There we go. All right. All right, how many of you have a canvas from Enabler's Outpost? Let me know down in the comments below what you've purchased from them and or what your favorite canvas from them is, even if you haven't bought it. My favorite canvas, let me think. I've done a couple from them, but I want to say so far, Lullaby Dragon by Emma Casey is my favorite from them. Okay. All right, now let's see if I can find, yeah, all the shimmer drills are usually at the bottom. Yeah, okay, so here we go. I've got all the shimmer drills right here. Okay, so if you look at the sheet, you'll be able to tell they're shimmer drills. See how it's got a ZC in front of it? That way you know it's a special drill. In this case, it's a shimmer drill. So yeah, we've got 6 of those. Oh boy. All right, so let's start with, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. All right. So let's see, 42. Look at this. This is beautiful red color. I know you can't really see the shimmer because of my lighting, but I promise it's there. Okay, so obviously the shimmer drills are going to go wherever the red leaves are. So all the red leaves in the top, all around here. That's going to be so pretty. And then, of course, in the bottom down here, it's got, I think with the red leaves and also the orangey, it's got a fall feel to me. I know there's some green leaves back here too, but it's almost like it's turning into autumn. It's just, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. All right. 43 is the Y symbol. So let's find the Y. Okay. So the Y, I found a Y. It's right here in this little section here. And then down here, that green section right there. Y'all, it's been a hot minute since I've done a video. I'm just winging it right now. Just winging it. I'm looking. Oh, there are a couple over here in this green section. And then there's some up top here too, in that little green section. Okay. Yes. Okay, so 44. Ooh, that's like it's almost like a really blue, dark bluish, grayish, almost black shimmer drill. Okay, so that's 44. That is E, which is a dark color. Where is that? Where is the E? I know I'm just overlooking it, right? Am I just overlooking it? Y'all, me and my eyes. Okay. Why can I not find the E? What is happening? I know it's staring me in the face. I know it is. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Okay. All of this right here. See the E? All of this right here. And then over here. See the E on the edge? Yeah, so it's going to be in the sides over in the dark section. Okay. All right, 45 is it's still a grayish color, but it's a lighter gray shimmer drill. Okay. 45 is O. O. Let's see. Oh. Oh. That's going to be cute. So the O is in the nose, in the eyes. See the 4 O's right there? That's going to be cute. So in both sloths, it's in the nose and the eyes. Oh my gosh. So adorable. These sloths, y'all. Okay. This one is ooh, that's a real pretty, like, teal aqua shimmer color. Ooh. All right, 46 is going to be P. P. Let's see here. It's got to be down here in the aqua. Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be down in this section here. And then, hold on, I'm looking. Yeah, it's going to be basically all throughout up here in this section. Yeah. So where you see the tealy colors, like up here. Very nice. I'm excited. All right, and this is a white shimmer drill. 47 is a check mark. Okay, so all the claws up here, those are going to be really cute. And then also there's, I'm assuming that's a claw up there. I think so, yeah. Yeah, so wherever you see white, there's also a white spot down here and right here. So that's where your shimmer drills are going to go. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to zoom back out. Hold on. Gonna zoom back out. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Cuddly Sloth Cuddles by Emma Casey. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And this is not a big canvas. And I don't think it would take a normal person too long to finish. Because like I said, there's going to be a lot of color blocking, like this green leaf. That's all color blocking. all the leaves, the green leaves, all of those are going to be color blocking. Yeah, so I mean, they're swatches of color blocking in the different shades. So yeah, shouldn't take too long. So there's going to be a nice mixture of confetti and color blocking in this one. So anyway, Enablers Outpost, Sloth Cuddles by Emma Casey. Thank you for my order. I appreciate you both, Elizabeth and Edward. And please go check out Enablers Outpost. I will have a link down in the description below for this specific kit, but they have lots of different kits available. Please make sure you follow them on Instagram. I'll have that information down below as well, so that you can see when they're going to be releasing new pieces into their shop. They also have fabulous pens, y'all. Diamond painting pens. Yes, y'all know me and my pens. So anyway, okay. Hit that like button and subscribe if you feel inclined. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see all of you on Monday night for my live. Special announcement on my Monday night live. So don't want to miss it. Don't want to miss it. All right. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe, and I will see you again very soon.